Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al. And in today's video, I'm going to be opening up and getting crafty with the brand new Happy Mailbox from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. I hope you'll stick around to see what's in here and what I'm going to create. A few months ago, 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop sent me one of their monthly Happy Mail subscription boxes to share with you here on my channel. And you guys, I had so much fun with it that they agreed to let me share another. This is like getting a surprise in the mail every month, and they always have like a color theme, kind of a color name, so everything in here goes with that. It's almost like if somebody's already picked out a color cube card for me and chose fun papers to go with it. If you would like to find out more about this subscription, I do have a link in the description box below. It is an affiliate link, so I make a small portion of the sale at no extra cost to you. And while you're there shopping, make sure to save 10% with my exclusive code, which is up on screen now. It will not apply to the Happy Mail box, but it does apply to so much more in the store. And if I could suggest one product to make sure you add to your cart, that is their white wood grain cardstock. I love to use it to stencil onto. It adds such a fun texture. I will also link that down in that description box below. Are you ready to see what's in the box? In the Happy Mail box each month comes a package of 12 by 12 paper and cardstock that fits the theme or the color palette of the month. And then there are also some fun mystery items, which for now I'm just going to set this to the side. In case you want to keep it a surprise, I'll let you know when I'm going to be showing that so you can skip ahead. Each month, like I mentioned, there is a color theme and each of the boxes are named. Now, when I first took a look at this, because I needed to make sure I put the mystery items to the side, I came up with a name of this kit in my head because I had not yet gotten that information from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. So I want you to tell me before I reveal it to you, what do you think this month's Happy Mail box might be called? Oh my goodness, do you see now why I was so excited to receive and open this? I just love the variety of cardstocks you get with kind of the textured ones. You get shimmery ones, glitter, the holographics, so fun. It's like getting to try out lots of their different stocks just all in one place, and it's all color coordinated for you. If you have ever ordered the Happy Mail box, or if you're a subscriber, let me know down in that comment section below. Also, let me know while you're down there which piece from today's main kit is your favorite. You know that I'm going to have to say mine was kind of that rainbow glitter paper. I'm going to have to save that for a special crafty occasion. All right, hopefully by now you've had some time to put your guess down below. Mine was going to be Tropical Breeze. A lot of these papers just reminded me kind of a tropical luau kind of color palette. But I will tell you, even though I think that would have been a good name for it, I was not correct. Instead, the name of this month's box is It's a Party. I think that one is pretty fitting as well. Let me know what you think down in that comment section below. Before we get crafty with some of this month's goodies, let me go ahead and show you what those mystery items are. So if you do want those to be kept a secret, make sure to skip ahead a couple minutes. With their boxes each month, they always include some exclusive mystery items. Many times these are stocks that you cannot order regularly. Are you ready to see what those are? First up are some super fun shaker bits. You have hearts, lips, conversation hearts, Look at these cute little Happy Mail envelopes. I love those. Smiley faces, stars, and then different circle and kind of squiggle confetti. I do love to make a shaker card, so I'm definitely going to put these to use sometime this month. For the paper stocks, there is kind of a gray silvery piece, a turquoise piece. Now this is a little bit lighter weight, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has the most gorgeous kind of hexagon pattern texture. Reminds me kind of like mermaid scales. And then finally, oh, another one with some great texture. Let's see if I can, this one might be harder to see. It's almost kind of like a snake skin, and it's like a pearly white color. So fun. Let me know which was your favorite mystery item. Besides the beautifully coordinated cardstocks and the mystery items in each month's box, subscribers also get a free bonus class with SVG files. This month, it is the It's a Party card set. Up on screen now is a quick peek at that, so make sure to get yours ordered today and don't miss out. Now it's time for me to get crafty with these goodies, and I'm going to make a fun layered birthday card. Now as I get into the process, I will tell you about other products and tools that I'm going to use, but as always, if I ever leave you with any questions, feel free to leave those in that comment section below, and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Let's get crafty! For today's project, I wanted to be able to showcase various colors and types of cardstocks that came in the Happy Mail box. So I went on to Creative Fabrica and searched for layered birthday art. And I found this neat one, the birthday present. And so I downloaded that as part of my subscription. And then I opened it up with my Silhouette software. Now this was originally very large. I think it was a 13-inch square. So I grouped everything and then I reduced it to 5 inches. Because I figured if I did a 5-inch square card, I could fit that in a 5x7 envelope for easy mailing. So I got everything kind of taken apart, and then I chose the papers that I was going to use, and here's a look at those. I did kind of a plain pink and blue cardstock, and then I did a shimmery and glittery pink and blue cardstock. For that top layer, I chose the white kind of snake skin. I thought that that would look nice against all of those other colors, especially with that texture. Here's a look at all of the layers cut out. You'll see the backer there was just a full glitter cardstock. And now all I had to do was go ahead and stack these together. So starting from the back, I did that. And you'll see here when it was all layered that it just has some nice dimension, and I love how some of it sparkles and shines. This was the point where I realized this probably won't work as a card because it was already super thick, so I didn't think a card base would hold this up. But I remembered that a while back I bought this square frame. I think it might have been from the Dollar Tree, I'm not 100% sure. So I took that apart, and now the glass was way too thick, I wouldn't need that. So I just set that to the side, and then I started layering those pieces in there. Now when I got to this pink layer, I realized that I hadn't trimmed that one down. Because this frame was exactly 5 inches, I had trimmed a little off all of the pieces, but I had forgotten that. So I took it off camera and trimmed that down and finished layering those pieces. And is this not so neat? It would make maybe fun decor if you're having a party, or if you do those tiered trays for different themes to put it on there. I did want to protect that topmost layer because the paper is a little thinner and that happy birthday is so fine and delicate. So instead of using the glass that came with it, I cut a piece of clear cardstock to 5 by 5 inches and placed that onto the top. And here are some close-up looks at the finished piece. I hope you enjoyed getting a look at the brand new Happy Mail box from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop and seeing how I used the goodies to put this piece of happy birthday decor together. If you did, as always, a thumbs up is appreciated. Now don't forget to visit those links in the description box to find out more about the subscription, and make sure to use that discount code when you place your order on non-Happy Mail box items. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.